Anna is an emerging puppeteer, puppet maker, so I want to invite her on up. She brought her backpack up to me and said, I made a puppet. And I said, well, why don't you come up on stage? And so I'm going to ask, well, first of all, Anna, do you do voices for your puppet?
I try to.
Do you want to try to have your puppet say a few things and say something to the audience, maybe, like a little greeting or something like that?
Okay. Yeah.
Hello, my name is Amy, or as we chickens say it, buck, 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 buck. My favorite color is yellow. I like to dig for worms. Oh, and I like purple eggs. Yes.
How old is Amy?
I am 2 years old for a chicken, but I'm 20 years old if I were a human.
Oh, okay. Do you have any brothers or sisters or other puppets made by your master here?
I have a friend. His name is Vincent. He's a vulture. Yeah.
Okay, very good. This is amazing stuff. Okay. So Anna, I'm going to ask you a couple questions real quick. So how long did it take you to make this puppet? And can you tell me about the different techniques that you used to make it?
It took 7 days, and it's a foam-based puppet, so I sketched out what I wanted to make, like what I wanted the puppet to look like, and then I kind of just cut out the foam piece. I kind of like winged that part, but I made and I took scrap pieces of fabric, fleece, and then I wrapped it around the foam to make the pattern. And then I cut that out and then transferred the pattern to the purple fleece that I wanted to use. And then I sewed that together, put it on the foam, and then added like I added her eyes, which are wooden domes.
A few little embellishments and final decorations. Very good. Do you think you might be ready to perform next year at our Puppet Slam? And you're kind of performing right now already, but maybe come back, right? Okay, thank you. Round of applause for Anna. Amazing stuff, amazing stuff. So if anybody else has a puppet that they'd like to show off,